Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add services on cPanel. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on a desktop and then select add a product. Now select services. Now scroll down, select a product, which is this one, and then select on review and checkout. Now scroll down and you need to select a payment method. If you want to pay with credit card, then select this option. If you want to go with PayPal, then select this option. If you go with credit card, you need to enter your credit card number, CVV, expiration month and year, and the billing information. And after filling all of these details, you need to scroll down and tick this button right here like this, and then select on purchase now button. And that's how you guys can successfully add services on cPanel. And that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.